What is crypto arbitrage trading, my people? Crypto arbitrage trading is buying assets at a lower price on a centralized platform and selling the same assets at a higher price on a decentralized platform. So that means you should be having two platforms that is centralized, which we are using Binance. You can use any of your choice, and you should be having a decentralized platform, which we are using runquilly.com. So right now, if you are a normal human being, you should be having runquilly.com. That's where we get our free arbitrage opportunities. So we will be doing a trade, and we get this account to 900. We have another trade remaining, another tutorial. So you should watch this to the end if you want to make profits with crypto arbitrage trading, buying assets at a lower price and selling them at a higher price. So we've bought already and funded our account. So buying is in Binance, and you buy via P2P. P2P works in every country. You can use your bank, your mobile banking, and everything to buy your assets. So if you're not good in that, you can chat me and I will guide you. I don't have a bad heart. I will just take you through. So we are receiving our assets direct to a Binance account. We are trading in buying low in Binance, selling high in Runquilly, but we receive our profits direct to Binance. So we don't do withdrawal because of the P2P fee. So just come to your Binance or Bybit or any other account, click on deposit, then you deposit assets, then you copy your address. Depending with the crypto you are trading, if it is BTC, make sure you copy BTC. If it is Ethereum you are trading, make sure you copy Ethereum. So I'll be trading USDT. That's why I've copied my USDT address. And remember, mine is funded. So make sure yours is also funded with good amount. So I'll come here on P2P arbitrage, click there. Then right now I'm selling, I'm not buying. I bought in Binance, and I'll find the best rate. Let's trade with this one today, and I'll be trading with 1,000 USDTs. So my 1,000 USDT will give me 140 in profit. So my payout will be 1,140 USDTs. But for you to receive in an external wallet, you should be having, I think, around 200 USDTs to unlock that. So you don't receive in your internal wallet. This one is receiving in your Runquilly address, and we don't want that. We want the funds to go direct to our external wallet, which is Binance. So we'll come and choose Binance. Then we enter our USDT Binance address, of which it is very common. This address, I've been maintaining it for years actually. So there is P2P fee, small one of 22.80. So my payout will be 1,117. So in less than 30 minutes, I'll make 117 USDTs in profits. Let me screenshot that. Then confirm payment here. Confirm payment before release. For your security, please verify the payment has been received in your external wallet before releasing your assets. Do not release until you have confirmed the funds. So you should confirm your funds in your Binance if you are using Binance, and any other exchange if you are using that exchange. So this is my trade is running. You can see here everything selling, and it will be going for around 30 minutes. So I will wait for this to be paid in my external wallet. That's how it works. So make sure you trade crypto arbitrage trading. I've done so many tutorials for this. So if you have any issue, make sure you follow me on Telegram, anywhere. Just comment and I will guide you. So we are out for now for this trading. If you have any issue, if you've been having any issue, make sure